Experiencing frequent Xfinity internet disconnections? It's often due to three main culprits: DHCP issues, Wi-Fi channel congestion, or RF noise. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, assigns IP addresses to your devices. If the lease expires or your modem fails to renew it, you'll lose connection. Wi-Fi operates on channels, and overcrowding leads to interference, dropping your signal. Finally, RF, radio frequency noise from appliances or poor wiring, can disrupt your cable signal, causing packet loss and disconnections. Let's break down how to tackle each of these problems step by step to restore a stable connection. First, address DHCP issues by power cycling your modem and router. Unplug both devices, wait 1 minute, then plug the modem back in first, followed by the router. This refreshes the connection and can resolve lease expiration problems. Next, access your router settings through a web browser, typically at 192.168.1.1 or 10.0.1. Look for the Network or DHCP section and manually release your current IP address. Then renew it to get a fresh lease from the server. For Wi-Fi channel congestion, download a Wi-Fi Analyzer app on your phone. Scan for available channels and identify less crowded ones like 1, 6, or 11 on the 2.4 GHz band. Access your router settings and switch to one of these channels to reduce interference from neighboring networks. To combat RF noise, check your modem's signal levels by accessing its diagnostic page, usually at 192.168.100.1. Look for downstream and upstream power levels, which should ideally be between -15 dB and +15 dBV for optimal performance. Inspect your coaxial cables for damage, loose connections, or kinks. Consider installing RF filters or surge protectors to block interference from appliances, power lines, or other electromagnetic sources that can cause signal degradation. If problems persist after trying these fixes, contact Xfinity support for a professional signal check and to address any potential hardware issues with your modem or cable connections.